This episode showcases Airtable AI automations as a compact toolkit to streamline daily tasks and empower teams to work smarter. A project manager automates weekly status reports by triggering data pulls, generating summaries, and notifying stakeholders without manual entry. Viewers will see a fast setup walkthrough outlining triggers, actions, and looping checks to ensure accuracy. Real results include reduced update time by 40% and fewer missed dependencies, illustrating measurable impact. Viewers are encouraged to test different templates and tailor automations to their personal and professional routines.